Hey, how's it going? So in this video, I want to show you how easy it is to create pop-ups with our tool Popup Architect. These pop-ups will help you capture abandoning users and retain users on your website. I will show you an example of how to do that for the website of our tool ranktracker.com, which is an SEO tool for tracking search engine rankings. So let's start. Here I will create a pop-up for capturing emails from the visitors who want to leave this website without making a purchase. In order to get their attention, we want to offer them something they're probably interested in, such as an SEO training course. I will start by going to the Popup Architect website, and since I already have an account, I will just sign in. Here's my login info. So, this dashboard shows my pop-up analytics or statistics for the activity of all my websites. I can see how my pop-ups are performing, like how many views they had in one day, or how many email submissions they had. In order to create a new pop-up, I can just click the Create New Pop-up button, and this will take me to the pop-up designer. Here, I just have to enter the domain name for the website I'm working on, and then I can choose the design that I prefer. I think I will go with this design for now. I like it because it's minimalistic and clean. Now you can play around with it a bit. Like here, I will change the headline to something like this. I will just do a few more changes to it. And maybe I can change the button color so that it matches the website's design. Something like this. Yeah, looks great. Now we can continue. Here you can choose when and what should trigger your pop-up. You can choose one of these options. 1. To display the pop-up when the mouse of the user leaves your website, or to display it after the website loads. In this case, I will choose the first option. And I think I want it to activate after 5 seconds. The prevent opening function prevents the pop-up from opening to the same user again, so your pop-up doesn't feel intrusive or it doesn't feel like spam. In this case, I will choose the pop-up from reopening for 20 days. And that's it. Now we can continue. This next step is optional. You can set up an autoresponder integration and customize a response message if you want. We highly recommend to use the autoresponder integration to enhance the effects of the tool. I will show you how to do this in the next video. That's it. Now we can go ahead and install the pop-up. Here I can just click on the Install Pop-up tab, which will show me the code for my website, which I will need to insert on my HTML file or any other platform I'm using. All I need to do is copy the code, and then I will go to my HTML file and I will paste it in the bottom like this. I will save it and upload the file. Now let's test if it's working. I will need to refresh the website. As you can see, the tool provides you with a pop-up control widget that only the administrator, in this case me, can see in the bottom right corner here. This is great because it lets you check if the pop-up is working and manages the cookies on your computer. Let's trigger the pop-up. I am directing my mouse out of the website. And here it is. Let's see what happens when the user signs up. The tool validates data, so if I submit an empty form, it will notify me. Like this. Now I will submit my valid test data and we'll see what happens. We're all set. You can also customize the success message that is displayed here if you want. So now the data that I submitted is captured in my Popup Architect account. Here in the page we can see the email that I entered and the time of submission. From here you can also preview the pop-up before installation or export your website's collected user data to an Excel document. Also, if you want to modify your pop-up at any point, you can click Edit and the changes will be applied with no need to change the code. These are just some of the functions that Popup Architect provides for you. Popup Architect is a unique tool that helps you capture and retain more users that would otherwise abandon your website. This tool is particularly effective in customer retention because it accurately tracks your visitors' behavior and reacts to it specifically. In this way, it maximizes your capacity to maintain users. Unlike other tools, Popup Architect makes it easy to edit your pop-ups and to control the user retention across multiple websites, all with one account and from one dashboard. We are constantly improving and adding features to the tool to provide you with the best results. It makes it easy for you, so you don't need to hire a programmer to fix a bug in Internet Explorer. Just let us know if you have any questions or ideas and we will be happy to share more details with you. Let us take care of the busy work. Just sign up on popuparchitect.com. Enjoy it and see how powerful it is.